Did you know that a single bald eagle carries around more than 8,000 feathers on its body? That's right, 8,000 feathers. These magnificent birds, symbols of strength and freedom, have a fascinating feather anatomy that plays a crucial role in their survival. Today, we're focusing on these incredible feathers. Their number, their structure, their renewal cycle, and even their symbolic significance. Now let's dive in and explore more about these majestic creatures and their incredible feathers. Feathers aren't just for show, they have a purpose and are a vital part of a bird's anatomy. Feathers are more than just beautiful adornments, they're marvels of nature's engineering. Each feather on a bird, from the smallest songbird to the majestic bald eagle, is a work of art and science combined. But what exactly makes up a feather? Think of a feather as a tiny, lightweight, yet incredibly strong piece of architecture. It's made up of a central shaft, known as the rachis, which extends into a series of branches or barbs. These barbs, in turn, are covered in tiny structures called barbules, and it's the interlocking of these barbules that gives a feather its smooth, sleek appearance. Primarily, feathers serve three key functions for a bird: flight, insulation, and waterproofing. Let's break these down. Firstly, flight. The contour feathers, the ones you see when you look at a bird, are shaped perfectly to catch the air and provide lift. The leading edge of the feather is often narrower than the trailing edge, creating an airfoil shape that helps birds soar through the sky with grace and precision. Secondly, insulation. Down feathers, the fluffy ones beneath the contour feathers, trap air against the bird's body, creating a warm layer of insulation. This is vital for survival, especially in colder climates where bald eagles are often found. Lastly, waterproofing. Feathers are covered in a layer of microscopic structures that repel water, keeping our feathered friends dry even in the wettest conditions. This is essential for birds like the bald eagle, who spend a good deal of time hunting over water. So while it may seem incredible that a bald eagle has over 8,000 feathers, each one of them has a purpose. They're not just there to make the bird look good, though they certainly do that. They're there to help the bird fly, to keep it warm, and to keep it dry. So each one of those 8,000 feathers plays a crucial role in the life of a bald eagle. Feathers aren't permanent, they get damaged and worn out, but don't worry, nature has a solution: molting. Yes, the regal bald eagle, adorned with over 8,000 feathers, has a built-in wardrobe renewal process. This is what we call molting, a fascinating cycle of feather renewal that is as necessary to the bird's survival as the air it soars through. Just like us humans, the bald eagle needs to keep up with its personal hygiene. But instead of a trip to the salon, it undergoes a process of molting. This is where the eagle gradually loses its old, damaged feathers, making way for vibrant new ones. It's not an overnight transformation, though. Molting is a slow and methodical process, taking place over several months. The eagle doesn't lose all its feathers at once, which is a good thing, considering the minor detail that it needs them to fly. Molting is essential to the health of the bald eagle. It's like a tune-up for their flight and thermal regulation systems. Damaged feathers can affect an eagle's ability to fly and hunt, and without the insulating properties of whole, healthy feathers, the bird could succumb to the elements. So how does the eagle know when it's time to molt? Well, it's all about the seasons. Molting usually begins in late spring or early summer after the breeding season. This timing ensures that the eagle is in peak condition for the harsher winter months. The bald eagle's molting process is systematic, with the bird losing and regrowing feathers in a specific order. This orderliness prevents any gaps in the plumage that could affect the eagle's ability to fly. It's truly a marvel of nature, a perfectly orchestrated symphony of renewal and survival. And so the cycle goes on, year after year. The bald eagle, in its wisdom, sheds the old and embraces the new, ensuring it's always in the best possible shape to rule the skies. The bald eagle's molting process ensures that it always has a fresh set of those 8,000 feathers ready for action. Just like us, bald eagles have their own grooming routines. Yes, even for their 8,000 feathers. Feathers, for a bald eagle, are more than just a beautiful adornment. They're a necessity for survival, providing insulation, enabling flight, and even playing a role in communication. To ensure they remain in top-notch condition, bald eagles engage in a diligent feather care routine that revolves primarily around preening and bathing. Preening is an essential part of the bald eagle's daily routine. This process involves using their hooked beak to meticulously clean and straighten each feather. By doing so, they remove dirt, parasites, and any other unwelcome hitchhikers that may have lodged themselves in their plumage. Additionally, the act of preening allows the eagle to spread natural oils from a gland at the base of their tail across their feathers. These oils help to waterproof the feathers, making them more resistant to the elements and ensuring the eagle remains buoyant while swimming. Bathing is another crucial aspect of feather care for bald eagles. They will often be seen splashing around in shallow water, soaking their feathers before giving them a vigorous shake to remove excess water. This not only cleans their feathers, but also keeps them in optimal condition for flight. After a good soak, bald eagles will typically find a sunny spot to perch and dry off, often using this time to engage in further preening. But why is all of this so important? Well, maintaining their feathers is vital for a bald eagle's survival. Unkempt feathers can lead to difficulties in flight, a loss of body heat, and can even make the eagle more susceptible to diseases. So it's not just about having 8,000 feathers, but also about taking good care of them. The bald eagle's meticulous grooming routine is a testament to the importance of their feather care and a fascinating insight into the daily life of these majestic birds. Did you know that the feathers of the bald eagle hold significant cultural and symbolic meaning for many Native American tribes? In the rich tapestry of Native American culture, the bald eagle is revered as a sacred bird, its feathers embodying power, strength, and freedom. For centuries, these feathers have been used in numerous tribal ceremonies and rituals, their presence lending an air of solemnity and respect. In the spiritual realm, bald eagle feathers are believed to carry prayers to the heavens. They are often displayed on sacred objects like staffs, headdresses, and dream catchers, serving as conduits between the earthly realm and the spirit world. Delving deeper, each feather's anatomy is imbued with symbolism. The quill, the feather's central shaft, represents the path that each person walks in their life, while the soft down near the base symbolizes love and gentleness. The tip of the feather, the part that meets the sky when the bird is in flight, signifies the divine, the connection to the greater power. But it's not just the spiritual realm where bald eagle feathers hold significance. In the social structure of many tribes, gifting an individual with an eagle feather is an act of immense recognition. It's a token of honor, awarded for acts of bravery, selflessness, or significant personal achievements. It's a badge of respect, underscoring the recipient's value and contribution to the community. However, this reverence is also coupled with responsibility. Possession of these feathers is regulated by law under the Bald and Golden Eagle Protection Act, which recognizes the cultural and religious importance of eagles to Native American tribes. This act ensures that the feathers are obtained ethically and are used respectfully. In conclusion, the bald eagle's feathers are not merely functional. They are a beautiful fusion of nature and culture, carrying within their barbs and shafts the stories, beliefs, and values of a rich heritage. The next time you see a bald eagle soaring in the sky, remember, the bald eagle's 8,000 feathers aren't just functional, they're also deeply symbolic. We've learned a lot today about the bald eagle and its incredible 8,000 feathers. Let's take a quick flight back through what we've discovered. We began our journey with an astonishing fact about the bald eagle, a majestic creature cloaked in a staggering 8,000 feathers. Each one of these feathers is a marvel of nature, playing a crucial role in flight, insulation, and the bird's striking appearance. We then delved into the fascinating anatomy of a feather. From the hollow shaft that keeps it lightweight, to the intricate barbs and barbules that allow for flight and insulation, each feather is a small miracle of natural engineering. Next, we explore the intriguing process of molting, the cycle of feather renewal. This annual event sees each of the eagle's 8,000 feathers replaced, ensuring they remain in peak condition. We also took a look at the bald eagle's meticulous feather care routine. From preening to bathing, these birds invest a significant amount of time in maintaining their impressive plumage. Lastly, we touched upon the deep symbolism of bald eagle feathers, which have been revered by many cultures for centuries as symbols of strength, freedom, and spiritual insight. If you found this as fascinating as we did, be sure to share this video with others. Who knows, you might inspire a new generation of bird watchers. For more videos, like and subscribe Amazed Info.